What's up everyone, Tone here, and today we're going to be taking a first look and unboxing the Pebble Time. This is a smartwatch for iPhone or Android made by Pebble, which I know has shut down, acquired by Fitbit, whatever, however you want to call it. But I'm going to use one anyway. It's a 7-day battery life. Here we've got, on the back we've got color e-paper display, personalization and notifications. Let's take a look at the actual unit. See how they've done a piece of tape. There we go. So the first thing we're greeted with is the watch itself. Then in the box we've got, let's see, 2 Pebble stickers. Quick start guide, up, select, down, microphone, and power button. Connect, get app. Okay. Then we've got safety and warranty information card. Now with the watch itself, I will expect this where we have a charging cable then, because it does, oh, back here. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I've heard that the screens on these scratch very easily, so I'm going to try to be careful. Now to me, it looks like, yep, the best way is just to take the watch strap off. There we go. Here we have what looks like it's the charging cable. Let's see. Yep, charging cable ends in an unfortunately proprietary connector. Although I don't think they had many options for like micro USB or whatever on a smartwatch. Magnetic ground and power. And finally we've got the watch itself. Alright, so let's turn it on. Pressing on the power button. And we are greeted with the Pebble logo. Let's zoom in. There we go. Oh, very zoomed in. Pebble, getpebbles.com/app. Alright, so for this step, let's, for the pairing process, let me also take out my phone. They're upside down when I'm filming, but I'll correct it in post. Unlock my phone. See how easy the setup process is. So okay, Pebble app. Choose your language, English. I'm assuming there's no English Canada. Yeah, no, okay, English. Continue. Pair, which one do you have? We have a Pebble Time. And let's see. Oh. Pebble Time 186 connecting. Oh, there we go. There, yes. And we've got the updated to the latest software. Okay, that wasn't expected. How long is this gonna take? And from the side, it seems to be fine horizontally. But then whenever you're at the corner, yes, looking at it from the corner makes the screen impossible to see, basically. So, one side fine. If you look at it from the corner, it's nearly impossible to see. I assume this has been fixed with the Pebble 2, which, yeah, when I was getting it was between the Pebble Time and the Pebble 2, which is the version with the black and white display. Now the display is e-paper, so yeah, if I cover it, I can see that there's no backlight. This is all with the ambient room lighting. Like if I have to turn the lights off, the camera adjusts. While it is harder to see in direct light or in ambient room lighting, the screen is fine without any backlight. And from what I know, the other cool thing about e-paper displays is they only use power when they're updating, not for displaying. Which is why how it can achieve like a 1-week long battery life. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned it, you need Bluetooth for this to work on your phone. And what is this? Looks like it's the smart lock. Smart lock doesn't work when you have an encrypted phone, by the way, so I can't use it anyways. Or it will work, but only you need to unlock it the first time, and then you need to make it so your power button doesn't lock the phone, which is very counterintuitive to me. So, powered till tomorrow. Okay. Reconnecting is up to date. Continue. Let's set a language. English, yes. Oh, no, come. Pebble. Really? Oh, no, don't go through this whole... Oh my god. Okay, good. Set language. Yes, English. Done. Now we can open up the settings screen. And now our home screen. So Pebble wants access to view notifications. Pebble health, I don't care. Then you get to pick out watch face. And you can set up apps, so and then done. Alright, and then we can switch between watch faces. That's pretty cool. Now of course I'm going to be installing a couple more apps and we'll comment on that later. So again, again from the one angle it seems to be nearly impossible to see, but from every other angle it's pretty fine. So vintage front camera, and this is what I mean by a glossy screen. You can see my table lights. Okay, so I'll hold it this way. So it's fine when it's direct on. The sides are okay, but if you try looking at it from the corner, it loses it pretty quickly compared to compared to the sides. Like that's what, a 45-degree angle, and it's basically impossible to see the screen. And it's not much better in person. Of course, it's a bit better. But yeah, so that has been my Pebble Time unboxing and first look. If you enjoyed it, see you next time.